Tinubu ran out of his hotel room in France, seeing Nigerians gathered in protest in front of the hotel. According to the video that we received, Nigerians in France aren't taking it easy with Tinubu after it was reported that he was in France. The video showed Nigerians gathered in front of the hotel that he was allegedly in, and they started to shout, "Shame on you." France-based security operatives were on ground to prevent the crowd from entering the gate. At the gate of the hotel, the video showed Tinubu allegedly being moved from his hotel room in France. The crowd also wanted to make their presence known as they attached an EndSARS card on the gate, while the security operatives prevented them from entering while Tinubu was allegedly moved from his hotel room. It's great to see that Nigerians are almost everywhere and they are united. Thank you for listening to this news. This is brilliant. This is brilliant. I love this unity. See, you will know no peace. You will know no peace. If you like, run to Kafanchan. You will see Nigerians there. They will meet you there, no matter where you run to. This is a fight you started. You must finish it. You must finish it. You must finish it. You can never run away from it. You think you have rest of mind. You ran away from Nigeria because of the atrocities that you committed, because of what you started. Now you are running away from it. You can never escape it. They will follow you to the end. Keep running. Nigerians are following you. Nigerians are watching you. They will not give you a breathing space, no matter what. They are following you and they will keep following you. You can never and will never know peace because you have killed the innocent people. Because you are rich, you kill the innocent ones. You took advantage of their innocence. You took advantage of their poverty. You will surely get it. You see yourself? You see yourself? You see how you have destroyed what you took time to build over the years. You see that? Is this how you become president of Nigeria in 2023? You have destroyed your image now. You have. And the name that you have been protecting, the name that has been ringing bell in the whole world is now a rubbish name. The name is now rubbished. It's not rubbish now. No one knows about you again. You are a nobody anymore. See how you are being moved up and down. See how you are being moved up and down. Is it supposed to be like that? You ran away to France, your son ran away to London. Is that not a disgrace? Huh? Is that not a disgrace? I'm ashamed of you. I am ashamed of you. They will keep pursuing you, no matter what. Keep running. Nigerians are after you. They will keep following you, even with your wealth. Keep running. You will keep wasting resources. You will keep wasting it. You understand? That is it. That is it. You never believed it. You think that you can just eat your cake and have it. Huh? You think you can eat your cake and have it. See, Buhari is more wiser than you. If you don't know, you instigated him to roll out the soldiers. He listened to you. But because he is once a soldier and he understands the language of a soldier, he understands that language of theirs, Operation Crocodile Sign. That is why the moment he rolled out the soldier, he escaped to America. Now, leaving you to bear the grunts. You see? See how they are chasing you everywhere you go. Which country will you go to and you will not find Nigerians? You better pray for God's mercy. Because it's only the mercy of God that is going to save you now. I am telling you, you will not know peace. So all the atrocities you have been committing in the past, they will befall you this time around. You will never know peace. You will never know peace. Because you have stepped on toes enough. You have stepped on toes. You have killed the innocents. You have killed the innocents. And they will never forgive you. They will never forgive you. I tell you, they will never forgive you. For all this that you have done to them, they will never forgive you. God will not forgive you unless you ask for mercy. Unless you ask for mercy. Because this thing that you did, do you know the number of lives that you took? You have children. You have children. You have children. You are busy securing your own children. Thinking that other people's children are nothing. Because of the money that you stole, that you are using in taking care of your own children. Leaving other people's children to suffer in penury. I told you before to use the story of Abiola as an example. Before the beginning of this, or before this very day, I called you through this broadcast. I said to take the story of Abiola as an example. But you refused. Ooh, now you can see. You can see the music. You are about to dance to the music. Okay? That's a problem. So, my viewers, you can believe me when I say that we are intact. Nigeria is intact. Nigerians are united in one voice. In fact, this is the best protest I have ever seen. A luta continua. I am so much involved. I want to use this medium to reach out to fellow Nigerians to remain focused and absolute. Remain united. The people are in support of you and they will keep supporting you. The Lord is your strength. So please, my viewers, I don't know what your own comment concerning all that has just been said may be, but please deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.